I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. The relationship between husband and wife should be one of closest friends. Cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. Life should be great rather than long. Indifferentism is the worst kind of disease that can affect people. History shows that where ethics and economics come in conflict, victory is always with economics. Vested interests have never been known to have willingly divested themselves unless there was sufficient force to compel them. Equality may be a fiction, but nonetheless one must accept it as a governing principle. It is not enough to be electors only. It is necessary to be lawmakers. Otherwise, those who can be lawmakers will be the masters of those who can only be electors. I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality, and fraternity. Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document, it is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of age. So long as you do not achieve social liberty, whatever freedom is provided by the law is of no avail to you. A bitter thing cannot be made sweet. The taste of anything can be changed, but poison cannot be changed into nectar. A great man is different from an eminent one in that he is ready to be the servant of the society. Slavery does not merely mean a legalized form of subjection. It means a state of society in which some men are forced to accept from others the purposes which control their conduct. Political tyranny is nothing compared to the social tyranny, and a reformer who defies society is a more courageous man than a politician who defies government. Religion is for man and not man for religion. A safe army is better than a safe border. Democracy is not merely a form of government, it is essentially an attitude of respect and reverence towards fellow men. Religion, social status, and property are all sources of power and authority which one man has, to control the liberty of another. Everything, you see, is impermanent.